Number 26, 9x squared plus 30x plus c equals 0. In the given equation, c is a constant. The equation has exactly one solution. What is the value of c? All right. A solution, an equation like this, a quadratic equation, can have two solutions, one solution, or no solution. What that means in graphing terms, this is a parabola, this negative 9x squared. I don't know where it is on the graph, but I know it's x squared, so it's a parabola, and a negative means it's going like this. It's facing down. Now, if it were to go up over the x-axis and come back down, it would have two solutions. If it stays down here, it has no solutions. If it comes up and just touches at one little tiny point and one point only, then it has one solution. So that's what we're looking for. We want this equation to be moved around somewhere on this board, on this graph, so that it only has this one little spot. It's only touching the x-axis at one point. What c will make this true? Okay. Now, in the quadratic formula, which we use to solve quadratic equations, it is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This little bit that's inside under the radical tells us how many solutions it has. If you put the numbers in, and just as a reminder, this b squared, the b, the a, and the c come from, in this equation, those three, those are the a, b, and c. Those are the numbers. That negative 9 that's out in front is my a, which goes there and there. That positive 30 is my b, which goes there and there. And this number that's all by itself is the c, which goes there. That's where those numbers come from. So again, this bit under the radical, under the square root, is what determines how many solutions there are. So b squared minus 4ac, if that is a positive number, then the quadratic has two solutions. If it is 0, it has one solution. And if it is negative, it has no real solutions. It has imaginary solutions, but no real solutions. Now they want to have exactly one solution. So the best way to look at this, the best way to do it, is okay, one solution. This right here under the radical needs to equal 0. That's how we're going to figure this out. Okay, so what's under that radical? It also has another name. It's called the discriminant. But that's where it comes from. You might see it by itself, but that's where it comes from. So, and just as a little side note, the reason two solutions, one solution, no, think about this. If you did square root of a positive number, a 9, what could that be? That could be a positive 3. It could be a negative 3. What if it's the square root of 0? That's just 0. Square root of a negative number? That's impossible. It's imaginary. Two solutions, one solution, no solutions. That's where that's coming from. Okay, so b squared minus 4ac. Let's take the a, b, and c from over here, plug it in, and remember we want one solution, so it needs to be equal to 0. My b is 30, positive 30. So I have 30 squared. Minus, I have 4 times a. My a is negative 9. And we don't know the c. That's what we're trying to solve for. And we want this to be equal to 0. 30 squared is 900. Minus 4 times negative 9 is negative 36c. So 900 minus a negative 36. That's going to be a positive. Minus a negative makes a positive 36c. I'm going to move this 900 over to the other side by subtracting 900 from both sides since it's a positive. And I'm going to get negative 900 equals 36c. And I keep going lower and lower because I write too big. And so to undo that times 36, I'm going to divide by 36. And when I do that, boom, I get c is equal to a negative 25. And that is C. That is my answer. Hey guys, if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Also, if you're interested in practical or fun math-related items like this math clock or this hopefully humorous t-shirt, click on the links down below to check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.